Oh, shoot.
Dude, go.
I'm so tired. Morning.
What are y'all doing?
What'd you do?
Alright guys, back at it again with an air horn. I'm here at a local frisbee golf course. As you see, there's a hole all the way down there. And it's a big open place. Someone's coming right now. I gotta get a decent spot. He's pissed. Bro, I didn't do anything, man. I promise I didn't do anything. What? I didn't do anything. Bro, what? Chill, dude, chill. Dude, it's just a joke. It's just a joke, homie. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is pretty cool looking. Go, 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 run! Run!
He has your frisbee.
I'm gonna go try to give him it back. Bud, looking for this? You looking for this? Here. Can I get your one? Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh. Dude, go.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Oh! That was close. Let's go. Oh, he stopped. Oh, he stopped.
I took his little frisbee. Like that. So this guy is super mad at us.
What? You see him?
All right, guys, I'm gonna get him one more time. Yo, chill, hey! Chill out. Look, hey, it's just, chill out. What are you doing, really? That was a pretty good throw, dude.
Let's go. Oh, shoot.
All right, yep. That was the last time I was with that guy. Yo, chill, hey. Relax, watch out. Oh, he got hit.
Yeah, throw harder next time.